How to remove payment card in Myer's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. If you are on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let's move into Google Chrome. In the source bar, you have to search for Myer's login. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site. Once you are in here, first of all you need to log into your specific account. In order to do that, tap on sign in at the top right corner of the screen, and once again click on sign in. Then you have to enter your login credential, as in your user ID and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to payment method. In the section of payment method, you will see all the list of the card that you have added on Myer's app. You simply have to click on the card that you want to remove. It will show you all of the card detail information. At the bottom, the option of delete will be visible to you. Click on it, and then once again click on delete. Once you click on delete, your card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Myer's app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.